here. I'm super excited. I've kind of been stalking the FedEx man for a while now, and my fun packages finally arrived today. Super excited. So Color Street likes to reward their leaders, and last conference, Color Street came out with a brand new gift incentive system for ranking up, promoting in the comp plan. And so I'm going to show you what the leadership ranks get, because they even were considerate enough and they kind of back paid and sent out everyone who had hit that rank before they even announced the new promotional gifts. So I have two packages here. One is a big heavy box and one is a smaller. So let's unbox them and see what's inside. Okay, this one is addressed to Cody Bills Sapphire National Executive Director. Super fun. So let's dig into this. One of the reasons why I love direct sales, no matter what company you're with, they usually incentivize leaders. It's super fun. I mean, who doesn't love to get rewarded for your hard work? And actually, I don't earn it by myself. I earn these things because I have women, strong women in my organization who are pushing for leadership as well. So I can't do this alone. So shout out to my Team Nell Nation and to my awesome customers. I have super loyal customers. Love it. Okay, here it says National Executive Director and Sapphire National Executive Director. Because since conference, I have hit those two ranks. Super fun. So let's see what national is. Okay, beautiful. It is a pink gemstone charm that will add to my necklace. See, I have the senior executive that I earned on stage at conference, and now I get to add the national charm. Super pretty. And then let's do the sapphire one. So pretty. It's sapphire blue. I don't know if you can see that. Sapphire is actually my birthstone. Woo! Okay, so yeah, I'm excited to add those to my necklace. Yay! Super fun. And not to mention that the comp plan gets super exciting when you hit the national ranks.
Oh.
Okay, so let's talk about what you get when you hit director, senior director, and executive director. This is what the big box is, and I think these are the cutest gifts ever. And you're gonna see why. And I cannot wait to use mine on my trip to New York next week. So as you can see, once you hit executive director, you get a full-size suitcase. Beautiful.
Oh.
It says Color Street right there. So fun. It's a great marketing tool as well. Okay, so let me open this up. Senior director, you get the carry-on size, super cute.
Oh.
And these are really nice hard shell, heavy duty. As you can see, I'm out of breath lifting them up. When you hit director, you get this super cute hard shell cosmetic case, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll show you the interior of what these look like inside.
Oh.
Look how cute that is. Little compartments for whatever you want. Fun stuff, you guys. Anyways, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the perks that you get with leadership with Color Street. And like I said, I can't do this alone. I have a team who's pushing for all these fun things as well. And some of you might be intimidated thinking, oh, I could never do that. Well, that's nonsense. There's only 3 things you need to become a leader. That is believing in yourself, believing in other people, and hard work. So if you are ready and you are capable of following those 3 things, let's get you going. I would love to be on the next trip with you with this amazing luggage set. So let's go for it. 2019 is your year. If you want to make a change, I'm your girl. I know you want to join Nail Nation. Our motto is success at your fingertips because it really is. And I have naked nails because I need to pick a style. I have a really hard time choosing which one I want to pick because they're all beautiful. All right, anyways, thanks for tuning in, you guys. I will talk to you later.